I am Vagdevi from Vignans University. The National Cadet Corps at Vignans University plays a vital role in shaping the individuals as disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizens. Our university proudly handles two active battalions, the 10 Andhra Girls Battalion and the 25 Andhra Battalion, giving opportunities to both female and male cadets to grow through structured military training, physical fitness, self-defense and leadership activities. Our cadets from Vignan have actively participated in various prestigious camps like the Republic Day Camp, Thal Sainik Camp and other adventurous camps. From our university, 4 cadets have participated in the Republic Day Camp and a girl cadet participated in paragliding, in which she jumped from 25,000 feet. Our cadets also engaged themselves in community services initiatives like blood donation drives and awareness rallies. Vignan University has trained NCC officers, ANOs, excellent training facilities and a strong emphasis on values like unity and discipline. Vignan ensures that their cadets not only serve their college with pride but also put forward the spirit of service to the nation. If you want to be part of NCC, join Vignans University, and for further information check the description, and for more follow Vignans University. Jai Hind.